Hi, it's Sam from Reno Trades and welcome to Project Kumala. We completed this renovation in 2 stages. We renovated a bathroom, a kitchen, an entry and a lounge room. We've built this custom wall with custom timber planks, some white stone features just to separate the 2 living spaces. So in this kitchen we've installed laminate doors, 40mm stone bench top, we've got feature tiles on the splashback and new appliances have been installed. So in this bathroom we've installed floor to ceiling tiles, we've got a stepless shower base, wall hung vanity, cavity sliding door and matte black fixtures. We've supplied and installed laminate flooring throughout the whole house from the entrance all the way down to the hallway. We've removed the old fireplace and we've built a new frame to house the new electric fireplace and the built-in TV.